video is sponsored by DOSSIER, an affordable fragrance company inspired by big name brands. They sent me over this perfume named Floor Violet, inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy line. Definitely shop with DOSSIER. I have a discount code for y'all on the screen and in my bio for y'all to use. What is up, guys? It's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video. Today we finna be washing my hair for the first time in like mad months. Before we get deep into the video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. We on the road to 10k 10k. I know a lot of y'all wanted natural hair videos, so y'all better run this video up if you haven't already. And yeah, so the other day your girl went to Target and she got her some new products. So I got me the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo, the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore conditioner. The girl got a curling cream, manuka, honey, and yogurt. This looks really good. Rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. I've seen this from so many people. Like, I've seen this from people I have on Snapchat, people I have on YouTube, and they all said this is the holy grail. I'm gonna rinse my hair with water first and then come back and then we're gonna apply the products. Okay guys, so I'm back and I didn't wet my hair that much. I just put a little bit because I decided I'm gonna do a protein treatment. A protein treatment, this is a mayo mask. So there's mayo, 1 egg in it, and then I just put like oils I have into it to just settle it. I'm gonna apply it to my hair. I just wet it a little bit to get any glue I have off, but now we're just gonna apply it because it makes sense to apply it before I shampoo my hair. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't get it. Y'all, my hair is shedding a lot because I haven't combed out my hair in a month. So this is completely normal. Especially if you're taking on a protective style, expect a lot of shedding. Definitely made way more mayo than I needed, which is okay. I'm just gonna apply the rest I have onto the ends, especially. My ends are a little stubborn. You see how messy this is, y'all? I try to keep a towel on. It did not want to stay. Finna go leave this in my hair for 30 minutes, put a shower cap over it, and then we're gonna come back when it's rinsed and start shampooing and conditioning. Rinse the mayo off. My hair feels very hydrated. We're gonna add the shampoo now. This bottle is really big. I got it from Target for $9.99 for this big bottle. It smells good. Oh yeah. It's already foaming. I like that. And I forgot to buy those massagers, those scalp massagers. Really good for promoting blood flow. But since I don't have the actual tool, I'm just gonna use my hand and massage the shampoo into my head. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna. We are rinsed out and my hair feels good. It just feels so cleaning. Like, I feel like when it foams up quickly, like, you just know it's gonna clean your hair. Looking so cute. And this is just after shampooing. Like, I still have a lot of shedding going on and I'm about to get them all out right now when I'm conditioning. So we're gonna condition. You to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something.
baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is.
Oh, y'all, my arm is tired. I have washed out the conditioner and my hair is fully done with the wash part of the wash routine. Conditioner right now, it gets a 7 out of 10. The shampoo got a 10 out of 10. The conditioner is getting a 7 out of 10. I don't know. It took a lot for me to, like, it took a lot of me pouring it into my hand to actually get it and distribute it into my hair. Like, I feel like it required way too much conditioner in order for me to feel like it was being absorbed into my hair. But nevertheless, my hair does not feel dry. It feels very moisturized. And I'm gonna be on the lookout for new conditioners while I try to finish this bottle, because we're not about to waste no coin. I'm not gonna deep condition only because I'm also on the lookout for a deep conditioner. So if you have recommendations for deep conditioners and regular conditioners, please let me know. I was thinking of getting the 2-in-1 curl daughter conditioner and deep conditioner, but I don't know. If you have any recommendations, please let me know, because that one, como se, wasn't really given. I'm gonna stop the video here. Y'all, I ain't even gonna cap, we missed one of the parts of my routine, which is me braiding my hair. Every time I finish washing my hair, I always braid it with oil and a curling cream. I recorded it. My camera deleted all my footage. Thank you, camera. But that's usually what I do afterwards. I use the curling cream I showed you on the beginning. I have something on. I used the curling cream I showed you on the beginning, and it was really, really good. My braid outs and my puffs came out really cute. I can insert a picture on the screen. I might be doing a video soon on how I do these puffs. I have a pillowcase on my head because I couldn't find a bonnet last night. Mind your business. But yeah, guys, so I just want to come in and say that. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next videos I have for y'all.